have considered the circumstances of the offenses each of the accused person is facing, and the fact that we are all living in the hard times of the COVID-19 pandemic, whose effects globally are devastating to say the least. I have also taken into account the announcement by our President on containment measures to combat the spread of the same, and this then behoves a duty upon each of us individually first, and then collectively to act responsibly towards fighting and or containing the pandemic's spread. It is not lost to me that the first accused herein is a leader and a public servant who should lead by example in implementing the President's directive and be at the forefront in urging the common mwananchi, the common man, to do that which each of us should do to curb the spread or at least contain the same. I have considered and taken into account mitigation by learned defense counsels on record on behalf of the accused persons, and more so that by defense counsel on behalf of the first accused, owing to his position in our society. It is not in dispute that he's a good leader, good repute and all that, and that he's done a lot for his constituents. That is in the public domain. But then again, an offense is an offense. Yes, we are all human, we make mistakes, but as I've said earlier, being leaders and going by what we are experiencing currently, that is the COVID-19 pandemic, we should act more responsibly as leaders. Consequently, or as a result of everything that I have said above, the accused persons are hereby sentenced as follows. And this is all the accused persons, number 1 up to number 11. Count number 1. Count 1, they will each pay a fine of Kenya shillings 15,000, in default 8 months imprisonment. Count number 2, a fine of Kenya shillings 15,000 each, in default 8 months imprisonment. Count number 3, a fine of Kenya shillings 15,000 each, in default 8 months imprisonment. Count number 4, a fine of Kenya shillings 15,000 each, in default 8 months imprisonment. Count number 5, a fine of Kenya shillings 15,000 each, in default 8 months imprisonment. Exhibits number 1 to 4 will be forfeited to the state. These sentences run consecutively, and anybody who is aggrieved by the same has a right of appeal of 14 days.
Thank you, Your Honor. Much obliged. Much obliged.
All right. Have a good day and pay the fine. And please, Honorable Kangata, I know that the first accused person is the Honorable Moses Kuria. Where is he? Where is he?
Yes.
Mheshimiwa, all I'm saying is that we need to lead by example. We make mistakes from time to time, but we need to lead by example. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.